In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color and size in PowerPoint 2016, an essential skill for enhancing your presentations and ensuring that your message stands out clearly. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring that you walk away confident in your ability to adjust text styles to suit your needs. First, we'll begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, navigate to the specific presentation you wish to work on. This could be an existing file or a new one that you're starting fresh. Once you've opened your presentation, direct your attention to the specific slide that contains the text you want to modify. This is often the slide that needs a bit of visual improvement, perhaps because the text isn't popping as you'd like it to. Now click to select the text box containing your text. Once selected, double-click on the text itself. This will highlight the text, indicating that it's ready for editing. Seeing the text highlighted assures you that any changes you make next will apply specifically to the selected portion. With your text selected, look up to the toolbar located at the top of the PowerPoint window. Here is where you'll find a variety of options available to customize your text. If your goal is to change the color of your font, you'll want to look for the font color button. This icon usually looks like a small letter A with a color bar underneath it. Upon clicking this button, a palette of color options will appear. Take a moment to scroll through the colors and select the one that best matches your presentation's theme or the effect you're going for. Once you've chosen your desired color, let's move on to adjusting the size of your font. Direct your attention back up to the toolbar, where you'll find two options, a plus and a minus sign next to numbers, reflecting the current font size. Click the plus sign to incrementally increase the font size, making the text larger, or the minus sign to decrease its size if the text feels too overwhelming or out of proportion. You might also find that typing in a specific size is more effective, especially if you have a particular look in mind. And there you have it. Successfully change the size and color of your text within PowerPoint 2016. Remember, playing around with these options not only enhances the visual appeal of your slides, but also improves their readability. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure your presentations leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.